Dancers. So today we started 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication, and I was super impressed with how amazing we did. So we're just going to quickly review a problem, the 4 steps that we need to solve. Remember, step 1 is that we want to draw in that place value chart. We want to draw this in so that we can keep our work nice and organized. I'm going to be multiplying 45 times 5. Remember, I always multiply from the bottom to the top. Alright, and so if I start in the ones place, I have 5 times 5. I know 5 times 5 is 25, so I'm going to put my 5 ones down. I'm going to bring my 2 tens up top. First the ones, then the tens. Now I'm going to multiply 5 times 4. I know 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. My answer is 225.
Now, Kipsters, some of you learned a different strategy for solving 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication problems today in class called the lattice method. So if that is the way that you practiced in class, that's the way I'm going to show you right now in your homework. So 45 times 5 is a 2-digit by 1-digit problem. So I'm going to set up my lattice boxes. I need to have 1 row for my 5, and then 2 boxes for my 2-digit 45. So I put 1 number in each box, 4 and 5, and then I draw my diagonals. Make sure you put in your dots so you know what to connect. So I have my diagonal. Now, my first multiplication fact is the ones, 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I put my 2 tens up top, my 5 ones at the bottom. Now I do 5 times 4. I know that 5 times 4 is 20, so I put 2 in my top triangle and 0 in my bottom triangle. Now, I'm not done yet. My last step is to add up along the diagonals. Remember, these are like bumpers in a bowling alley. I can't cross the bumpers. So I add 5 by itself is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. And 2 on its own is 2. So I also got 225.
Gosh, good teamwork, Miss Thomas.